Hi, this is the ERIS, Rescue911 ERIS system. I'm from Team 2. So, this is, we had 10 requirements to show you today. And the first one we're going to show you is requirement 1. The user should receive real-time updates regarding the status of their EMTs. So in order to do this, we're going to go ahead and do user, password. We're going to log in as that. It's going to say welcome user. We're going to get EMT live location is the button we want to click for this. So we're going to click on that. It's going to show us exactly where our EMT is. Somewhere in New York. They're a little far away. They'll make it here eventually. For the next requirement, we're going to jump a little bit. We're going to go to requirement number 9 because it's in the same place. So we're going to click up here on feedback. In the user login, we're going to go up to feedback. It's going to give us a little form to fill out. Let's say we had a poor experience. We wanted to say it was a 3, and they were slow to respond. Let's just say they had a poor experience. It's going to give us a little form here saying this is how it went. This is what we see. It saves the information, send it to us, and then we will see this. So now back up to requirement number 2. The user should be able to create an account. That's going to happen in the sign up button. You're going to go in here. You're going to log in as whatever username you want to have. Let's say username, password. Let's say password. Email. Let's say it was email@email.com. Send that in. It's going to say welcome to ERIS, and it's going to say whatever name you put in. It's going to say it's a confirmation email was sent to this email. You can log in and do that. It's not actually sent, but we say it is. Requirement 3, operators must be able to log calls effectively and quickly. That's going to happen in this log calls button at this top, this call in. Anyone can do this. It's just the user will go ahead and select their emergency. They're going to say, like, say it was 7, start call. It's going to log the call. This is simulating a real call. It's not actually calling, but it's going to simulate a call. And then it's going to give you a link to a log. You're going to click on that, and it'll give you a little log file. Play-by-play of what's actually happening in this simulation. Requirement 4, operators should be able to dispatch response teams in real time. This is going to happen in the employee page. So you're going to log in as employee and password. You're going to see this clock in button. This is part of requirement 5, which is EMTs must be able to clock into the system. All you have to do is click clock in. It verifies your location. You type in your employee ID. You can put in anything. It'll take whatever. You click OK. You're now clocked in. But to dispatch a team, you click dispatch team, and then you type in the address right here. Click OK. It takes a few seconds, and then it says a dispatch team has been sent to address, spelled wrong. That was on me, I misspelled it there. But it will say whatever address you typed in. You click OK. That's requirement 4. Operators should be able to dispatch teams in real time. To finish off requirement 5, you just gotta click clock out. Your shift's done. You're all good. EMTs must be assigned roles based off their qualification level. This is requirement 6. You're going to log in as an admin with the username admin, password. Click OK. Admins get a few more privileges. They can request files, generate reports, and appoint an EMTA role. For this one, we're going to focus on appoint an EMTA role. Now, it's going to give us a little sample profile. It's John Doe. It gives us some fake information about John Doe. Certifications, years of experience, special skills. The admin's going to look through this and decide, okay, John Doe seems like a team leader. We want to give him that role. Submit the role choice. It's going to then say John Doe is chosen to be a team leader, and your choice has been submitted. Requirement 7 is that EMTs must be able to share, record patient care records, and log them into the system. This is going to happen in request files from patient. The admin's going to type in the patient name. Let's say it was John Doe, the guy we just hired. Click OK. It's going to wait on John Doe. It takes about 5 seconds, we say here. Pop-ups were blocked. We're going to go ahead and say allow pop-ups. Click this button again, John Doe. Give it a second. It's going to go ahead and open up this tab here. John Doe filled out all this information in about 5 minutes time, or 5 seconds time. You're then going to click verify record. It's going to verify the patient info, verify it with other medical records, make sure it all looks accurate and correct. It'll take a second, and then at the end it'll say patient information verified. This is correct. You're going to then click add to system. It connects to the ERIS system, and it says information uploaded successfully. So John Doe is good. He's in the system. All perfect. Next, for requirement number 8, administrators must be able to generate reports. You click generate report as an admin. Give it a case number. Give it a date. Give it a reporting officer. We're just running out of time here, so let's just go ahead and put in some random words. But you just basically fill out the event as it was. Generate the report. It'll give you a rundown of all your information you said. Click OK, and it'll fill out a little table of all your information perfectly, just like that. Requirement number 9, we already went over. And requirement number 10, patients should be able to have the option to rank the severity of their emergency. We went over in this call-in button, where if you beat a call, you can rank your emergency. Thank you so much. This was ERIS. Goodbye.